This is how to fit your all-access 4-piece clip-in. Our model wears shade Monte Carlo in 18-inch curly and 22-inch straight. Start by backcombing a small section of hair followed by a twist to then meet in the middle with an elastic band for security. Top tip: to hide the model's blunt cut, we are twisting the bottom section into a small bun. You then clip using the 4 clips attached. This piece is 10 inches wide. Next step, repeat the same process of backcombing followed by a twist to then meet in the middle and secure with an elastic. Our second piece is 8 inches wide. You also have 2 side panels to fill in any gaps around the front. This achieves a fuller look. They are 3 inches wide.